You guys, today we're making this delicious,
It tastes as good as it
strawberry
sounds,
cheesecake
so let's
stuffed
get
French
started.
toast. Alright, so the first thing I'm making is my strawberry syrup. You can make it from scratch, or if you want to buy it, it's totally up to you. But this is how I make mine. Today I'm using frozen strawberry. You could also use fresh strawberries, just cut them up a little bit, place them in a pot, a saucepan, and then in there I'm gonna also add in some sugar, white sugar, and a little bit of water, not a lot of water at all. Give that a mix, have it over medium to medium high heat, let it come to a boil, and you're just gonna let that boil and thicken into the syrup you're looking for. It's gonna take maybe about 10 to 15 minutes, and yeah, let it cook until the strawberry softens and you have a nice thick strawberry syrup. Let it thicken to your liking, okay? So while the syrup is cooking, we're gonna start making the cream cheese filling for the French toast. So get yourself a bowl, and in the bowl you want to place your softened cream cheese. Make sure the cream cheese is softened, okay? If it's not at room temperature, just place the cream cheese in the microwave for about 20 seconds or so. To the cream cheese, you want to add in some powdered sugar, some vanilla extract, and then just use a fork to mix those ingredients together until it's combined really well and you have your cream cheese filling. Okay guys, so next get a separate bowl, and this is going to be the liquid for the French toast. Okay, this is what we're going to dip the bread in. So in my bowl I added some milk. I'm using whole milk, and to the whole milk I'm going to add in some vanilla extract, sugar. I'm using white sugar. I'm also gonna add in some eggs and some ground cinnamon. Use a fork or a spoon, something, to mix those ingredients together really well until it's well combined. Next, I'm getting my bread. So this is the bread I'm using today. It's brioche bread, but it's chocolate chip brioche bread. I couldn't find the regular one, and actually you guys, this one worked perfectly for this recipe. It tasted so good. So yeah, get your brioche bread, and then you're gonna take about a spoonful or two of the cream cheese filling we made and put it on top of one slice of the bread and spread it out evenly. Okay, spread it a little to the ends too, because we're gonna stick the other piece of bread on top of that one and seal it. So add your filling, and next we're gonna drizzle on top some of our strawberry syrup. So you can use strawberry syrup, or you can use fresh strawberries. It's up to you. I prefer to use my strawberries in my syrup. It tastes so good. So yeah, I don't add too much. I add about 1 to 2 pieces of strawberries from the syrup, and then drizzle on some of the sauce. And then you're going to take that second slice of bread and place it on top of the filling. And then you're only going to press the edges of the dough together just to seal the filling inside so that it doesn't ooze out. So once you've closed the bread together, you're going to take that bread and dip it into the milk mixture, the milk and egg mixture. Make sure you wet both sides of the bread, and then we're going to get ready to finish making the French toast. So I'm getting my frying pan, and over medium heat I added a little bit of butter. So once the pot gets a little hot, I'm gonna take my French toast and place it into the frying pan, and we're gonna cook it on each side for a few minutes, about 3 to 4 minutes, until it gets nice and golden brown and it forms that crust we're looking for. And then flip it to the other side. Once it finished cooking, you can remove it out of the pan. So with this recipe and the amount of cream cheese filling I made, I ended up getting about 3 of these stuffed French toasts. Okay, so you could always double the recipe if you want to make more. It makes about 2 to 3, not much at all. All right, and once the French toast is finished, it's time to add the filling on top, or your syrups. So on top of my stuffed French toast, I like to add some more of the cream cheese filling, so you can make extra to put on top if you'd like. And then I like to add some more of my strawberry syrup, and that's it, you guys. If you want to add anything else like powdered sugar, you can use some of that on there, or whipped cream. Is totally up to you. But yeah, you guys, after that you can slice it up and enjoy it. I'm gonna slice it up in a second so you can see what it looks like inside. It's so good, it's so delicious. I wish I could describe how good it tastes and what it tastes like, but you'll have to give it a try to see. But it do taste like cheesecake, so yeah. But anyways, that is it for today's recipe, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. This is a perfect recipe to add to your brunch menu or breakfast menu on special days. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see my upcoming videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.